You ready to catch our vibes? Dancer Bling is here to share his journey and his dance moves in our Fiwi Culture segment.
With the army, Dancer Bling said I wanna upstate when we outside, you know it's a party. If I don't groove, then you know I say I couldn't.
Dancer Bling, how long you been dancing?
Right now, over 20 years. Over 20 years we are going to do that thing, you know what I mean?
How has the journey been for you over the 20 years?
It's a rocky road. Now I'm going to tell you say it's easy. You know what I mean? Because in the days when we used to have to walk, go party, I walk through some dangerous area. And you know how we find in the party that we have to follow his sound. Enough time me and some man depend, oh, how are you, man? You know what I mean? And we just say, yo, the dancer.
What was it that introduced you or brought you to dancing?
I'm going to tell you about dancing, I mean. So I grew up in a community named Barbican. That's where I was born and grew up. And then I moved from Barbican and go down to Maxfield. You know that close to Rose's Corner, where Father Bogle is from, right? Bogle used to come run from our ground on a Sunrise Street, come park up in big van. Them things they kind of inspire me, you know what I mean? To see him come out and the way him dress and the way him move, the way him... I said, nah man, I have to take this thing as serious now. Don't get me wrong, you know, we're a dancer, we're a juvenile, you know, for we little, you know, but when you really start to think about to take it serious now, Father Bogle, I said, no man, I want to be like this man.
Dancer Bling, keep down. You're not dance while I sit and go sit down, keep down.
Dancing is very much part of our DNA, part of our culture here in Jamaica.
Yes.
And Bogle was a cultural icon where dancing is concerned. Would you say he is someone that you looked up to, you emulated, that you wanted to be like?
Of course, and to add more to what him already put to the table. You know what I mean? Because I one thing with me, you know. Yes, I get inspiration from other people, but at the same time, I need my journey, I need my legacy. So I always try to add towards what they did before. So of course, I'm inspired with enough, man.
Fuck, you could have proved if he was alive today. When them attack, them don't know about fun. And we not stop dance on the ground. When they see we outside, and I step on the dance, we not done.
Talk to me about your latest collaboration with Voicemail.
Yeah man, the latest collaboration with me and Voicemail is a thing called Guani. Alright, me and Craig are like friends from youth days. So Craig is a man who always call me Bling. Well, I go on the street, you know. And we explain to him, so the dance I go on, the dance there I go on. And I say, alright then, what you have, what you go run with? I'm going to say, you know, so I have one dance, but I never name it yet, which is true. I never named the dance yet. And I'm going to say, make me see it. I'm going to show him it. And then I call my best friend, which is Kojo. I'm going to say, Kojo, I show Craig the dance, but I still not have the name for the dance yet. I'm going to say, Bling, how much name I write down? I'm to the one where they call Guani. You know, I say, if it's true, you know, Guani, man, I hit me and Guani, man, I tell you.
Dancer Bling. Respect, you know.
I want you all the time, man.
Hey, man, good to have you on this week's program.
You're Pree Dis still, you know.
Hold on, I'm Pree there.
I the 60s, you know.
Yes, right, this up. What you know, I did dance, me, I tell you. I don't lie, me, I tell what you...
And just like that, we're at the end of another episode of Pree Dis Show. Until next time, I'm your host, Naldo Addy, signing out from Agley Park Road /Half a Tree. Big up on yourself. Stay safe.